Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine Lim Zepsiu. And you know what, Alice? Today, let's just randomly pick a subject. 我今天随便来找一个主题好了。我想想看，今天早上有刷牙刷。抽，你要抽什么？抽奖啦？
不是，
年终大抽奖吗？
那个过了，抽就是刷。
Really? 抽 That's how you say brush in Hakka, okay? Then 刷牙 brush your teeth 怎么说呢？
抽牙齿。
哦，抽牙齿。
对，那海陆腔。抽牙齿。
哦，是牙齿这边比较不一样哈。
抽牙齿。
抽牙齿。Okay, that's brush your teeth in a different dialect. 好，我们来造个句好了。
好，
我们知道早上起来都要刷牙吧？
对，
对不对？可是坦白讲，真的睡前也应该要刷牙，
这是最重要的。
真的 ，a lot of people know that you need to brush your teeth in the morning because you have a bad breath, right？ 口臭一定要先把这个牙刷一刷。但是晚上睡觉前哦 ，before you go to sleep, it's really important that you brush your teeth again. Okay? So let's teach people how to say that phrase. 睡前记得要刷牙 ，remember to brush your teeth before sleeping.
睡目前，
愛記得
抽牙齒。
抽牙齒。
睡目前，愛記得抽牙齒。
所以目前我記得抽牙齒。Thank you for breaking it down. 其实刚刚 Alice 呢一段一段这样教哦。所以目前 that means before sleeping 睡觉前。Okay. 我記得 that means 要记得。Remember and then again brush your teeth 抽牙齒啊。那现在呢其实也很流行所谓的电动牙刷。
对。
A lot of people are using electric toothbrush right now. 其实我一阵子都不想去用这个电动牙刷。
真的吗？我从来不用。
哦，最近用了，真的觉得还蛮好用的。Okay, let's teach you how to say the electric toothbrush. 电动牙刷。天通牙抽诶。Okay, 天通 that means electric. 可是牙抽诶就变成是刷的东西了，对不对？
就是牙刷
了。哦，刷牙的牙刷。
对，牙抽诶就是牙刷。
That means a toothbrush. All right, let's review these couple of terms right here. 刷 brush. 抽 and then brush your teeth. 刷牙。抽牙齒 and then the electric toothbrush. 天通牙抽诶。Okay, that's the electric toothbrush. Remember, brush your teeth at least twice a day and even after meals. That's from your dentist, Joseph Lin, right here. That does for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.